start the recording. So what we'll cover in the coming classes and what we are going to discuss. Okay, first of all, before going to start with this LWC, first of all, let me introduce myself. Myself, I'm Venkat Kumar. So I had a 9+ years of experience in a Salesforce. So I used to deal with the different types of projects in Salesforce, like e-commerce, like telecom, and also I deal with with the different types of clients, and also insurance domain, and also agriculture and constructional domain, different types of domains. And also apart from that, I also converted different types of CRMs into Salesforce. Okay, because Salesforce is the user interface, everything is very attractive. Okay, and also it should be the client as well as the customer looks the UI, everything it should feel good, and also everything will be done fastly, whatever it may be as comparing to other technologies and other CRMs. You can also deal with the different types of clients like USA, UK, and also London, and the Finland. Presently, I'm dealing with Finland insurance project. Okay, so I'm been passionate in the training. That's why I'm been coordinating with trainings as well as I'm coordinating with my projects, whatever it may. Okay, so what are the things which I have been faced? Okay, so in the real time, everything I used to convey in the trainings, whatever it may be. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you. Okay, if you don't know anything about user interface, everything I'll guide you and I'll teach you. No worries. Okay, no worries. Everything I'll tell you. So in this demo, I used to give the introduction about what we are going to discuss in the coming classes, how the things are used to be, how the things, everything. So I used to discuss. Okay, let me share my screen. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so first of all, I will ask you one thing. Okay, so what is LWC? Anyone know about what is LWC?
Lightning Web Components.
So it is nothing but a Lightning Web Components. Okay, LWC has been introduced in 2019. In 2019. Okay, so previously it should be used by ARA. So it has been replaced by the LWC component. Okay, previously, so user interface is used to be built using ARA. Okay, now it is replaced with LWC. Mostly in every company. Okay, so they are using LWC because LWC looks very attractive and also it's very easy to develop. Okay, it's very easy to develop. It's very easy to develop. Okay, it's very easy to develop all the interface. Okay, so before learning LWC, whatever it may be, I used to give the information about HTML, okay, CSS and JavaScript, because there are some information, because some are from other backgrounds, they don't know about anything about user interface, how to create user interface, everything. First of all, I want to give you some brief introduction about HTML, CSS and JavaScript for first 5 days. Coming to the JavaScript, you need to learn about some topics like custom events, set timeout and set time interval. And also you need to learn about the different topics like string method, array methods, okay, variables, data types, okay, array methods, everything. I'll give you a brief idea, okay, okay, everything I use it to give you a brief idea. After completion of that, I'll start with LWC. Okay, whatever I'm teaching, it's a practical oriented training. Everything I use it to design in a project oriented manner. Okay, project oriented manner. After completion of this training, I use it to give the project also, which is nothing but a travel portal. Okay, travel portal. So it has been using Experience Cloud. Okay, we'll deploy all our LWC components in our Experience Cloud. Okay, to the Experience Cloud, whatever it may be. Yes. Okay, so everything is a project oriented training. First of all, coming to the LWC. Okay, so I'll give some basics of LWC. Okay, because you don't know, like apart from this, I also give the interview questions also. Okay, I also give the interview questions also. Everything I use it to give interview questions also. I use it to give the introduction. Okay, after completion of the 5 days, I'll give them introduction to LWC. Okay, why Salesforce has been introduced to LWC? These are the different types of questions you'll get in interview. Why Salesforce introduced LWC? And also they will ask the questions like what is the comparison between anyone attended the interviews previously? Okay, these are the different types of questions. So mostly you'll get into the picture. Okay, and after completion of this, and we'll make the installations. Okay, installations of LWC, because everyone need to install some of the software like Visual Studio Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code, and also there are some extensions. What are the extensions are available? We have Salesforce extension pack. Okay, so we need to connect how to connect Visual Studio Code with Salesforce. Everything I'll give you a brief idea. Everything I'll give you a brief idea so that it's very easy for you to manage. Okay, very easy for you to manage. Okay, so I use it to give installations for LWC. Everything is a project oriented training. I'm saying again, everything is a project oriented training, not a practical like giving some theoretical explanation. So real time use cases, because I had a 9+ years of experience. Okay, I deal with the multiple projects. Everything I use it to convey in this training. Okay. Okay, it's a real time user stories, whatever I deal. Okay, real time user stories, whatever I deal. Everything I'll give you in an easy manner with a better explanation for you. Okay, whatever I deal. Okay, first of all, I'll ask you one thing. Okay, whenever you're dealing with some of the new concepts, you need to learn some basics, or you don't need to, without knowing basics, you'll go. Hello. I'm asking one question.
Yes.
Yeah. Without knowing some basics, is it possible to go to the
No.
medium
No.
and advanced level? Yes,
No.
it is not possible. Firstly, you need to learn the basic level. After that, you need to learn the medium level. After that, you need to go to the advanced level. Okay, after completion of learning advanced level, then you need to design the project. Then you need to design the project. Then you need to design the project based on the things, whatever you learn, based on the things. Okay, whatever you learn. Okay, so like this. Okay, in our training also we will go as like a structured manner. Okay, first of all we'll deal with some basics of LWC. Okay, you need to learn some basics of LWC. Okay, whenever this is one of the module. Okay, this is a third module, whatever it may be. After completion of each module, I'll give the interview questions also. Okay, so because whenever after completion of each module, I given some interview questions, it's easy for you to preparation, whatever it may be. Okay, so under this base, whenever I'm discussing these basics of LWC, I use it to create. Okay, so first of all, let us log into the Salesforce org. I think everyone has some credentials. Okay, so when I'm discussing some LWC, everything. Okay, so I'll show you what are the things which we are going to practice and what are the things which we are going to teach in the coming classes. Okay, so I'm going to the LWC classes. I use it to create one app. Okay, because in future it's very easy to reference all this information. Okay, in future it's very easy to reference what are the information. Okay, I'll create, whenever I'm creating a basics of LWC, I'll create a one application. Okay, so one page. Okay, everyone able to see this? Is it looks attractive? Everything. Thank you for visiting our website. Everything. So update user like this. I'll design a multiple types of information. Okay, whenever if you submitted this information, immediately all the details will be submitted to employee object. Okay, like this. Whatever it may be, everything I use it to discuss in the coming classes. Okay, so when I'm discussing some basics of LWC, I use it to discuss about decorators, everything. Okay, I'm giving some practical things also. At the rate of API, at the rate of while, and at the rate of track. Okay, and also I use it to give about so how to apply getters. Anyone know about for loop and while loop in development? I think if you don't know, also no issues. Okay, so we'll use a template for each loop. Everything I'll give you an idea. Okay, in LWC. Okay, for example, if you want to register for like if else statements in development in the similar way. So in the LWC, we have a template if true and template if false. Whenever I'm teaching everything, I'll give you with practical explanation. Okay, everything I'll give you practical explanation. Okay. So these are the different types of statements have been available. Okay, one way and also two-way data binding. Okay, after completion of basics. Okay, let me try to discuss about. So we are dealing with the thousands of lines of code. Everyone will agree. In real time, we'll deal with the thousands of lines of code. Everyone will agree.
Yes, sir.
Definitely, yes, definitely we are dealing with thousands of lines of code. For example, if you are getting any errors, how you need to track, how you need to divide one component into another component, like how you need to divide multiple components and to design one user interface. Okay, everything I'll tell you in composition and query selector. Okay. After completion of this topic, I'll give you interview questions. Okay, so mostly I had been attended 400 plus interviews. USA companies, UK companies, so many companies, so many clients, everything I know, which question they will ask on which topic. Okay, so whenever after completion of each module, I'll give you questions. Okay, these are the questions have been asked in this. Okay, then immediately you can note down whatever it was, and also I'll give you the questions in the notepad file. So for you, it's very easy to reference whatever it may be. Okay, so whenever you are creating some website, you need to apply some stylings or not. You need to apply some stylings or not. Whenever you are designing some website, you need to apply some stylings or not.
Yes, sir. We need that.
Definitely, we'll need to apply some stylings. Okay, for example, if you take HDFC Bank, okay, HDFC Bank is also designed using Salesforce only. Okay, HDFC Bank is also designed using Salesforce only. Okay, so by using LWC, okay. Okay, by using LWC, we design all this information. Okay, it's an experience cloud they deployed after completion of LWC, everything I'll tell you. Okay, see how the styling should be, how you need to apply styling to our LWC component. Okay, so I created a separate module. Everything I'll give you in a clear-cut explanation. Okay, this is a separate module. So styles in LWC. 1 minute. Yeah. So like how to import the images. See, is it looks good? Like for example, if you open HDFC Bank, so we have a pay, save, invest, borrow, insure, shop in the similar way. So we got like this buttons, different types of buttons. How you need to do all this information? Whenever if you click on fetch details immediately, see, whenever if you open, I'm learning LWC from DURGASOFT like this. How to need, for example, if you click on 25, immediately 25% size is included. For example, if you click on 200, how you need to do all this information. Okay, how you need to apply some dynamic styling, different types of stylings, and how you need to apply styling to your website. How you need to apply styling. Okay, everything I'll give you a clear-cut explanation when I'm dealing with the styling. And also I'll create a separate page and also I'll create a multiple LWC component when I'm dealing with this concept. Okay. After completion of this, let me try with the lifecycle hooks. Okay, lifecycle hooks is very, very important for each and every like technology. Either you are dealing with any other front-end UI. Okay, so lifecycle hooks are very, very important. In the similar way, LWC also there we have a one concept which is nothing but a lifecycle hooks. Okay, so under the lifecycle hooks, we'll design a multiple use cases. Okay, multiple real-time project-oriented use cases. And also, whenever you enter interview, definitely there is a question they will ask about lifecycle hooks. For each and everything, I'll give the practical scenarios. Okay, so we have a constructor. Okay, connected callback. And also we have a rendered callback. For each and everything, everything I'll give you some demonstrations. Error callback. And also we have a disconnected callback. And I'll design, after this I'll design some use cases, some practical use cases. Okay, some practical use cases by using a render method. Okay, these are the different, how when I'm designing a lifecycle hooks, I'll create a separate module. Okay, so on my LWC. So because it's very difficult for you, everything if I place it in a single screen, that's why I divided everything into multiple screens. Okay, for your quick reference, it's very easy. See, everyone able to see whenever I'm clicking on sign up page, immediately some sign up page is coming. When I'm clicking on back, whenever I'm clicking on sign in page, immediately some sign in page is coming. Everyone able to see this? How to design these types of UI? Okay, user interface. Okay, these are nothing but real-time use cases. Okay, I'll deal. Okay, when I'm creating a lifecycle hooks, I'll deal everything. Okay, and also let me try to create different types of practical examples on each and everything. After completion of this, I'll give some interview questions also. What are the different types of questions will be asked in the interview on lifecycle hooks? Okay, and after completion, okay, for every scenario, you need to give the practical demonstrations. Okay, so we have a I will ask you one question. We have a single component or a multiple components whenever we are designing project.
Multiple components, sir.
Definitely, we have a multiple components. I will ask you one question. So definitely, one component need to communicate with another component. You'll agree with my point?
Correct.
Yes, definitely. Okay, there is a separate concept I defined. How to communicate one component to another component. Okay, so how to, okay, there are two types. Okay, so parent to child communication. And also under this parent to child communication, again, four practical scenarios I'll explain. Okay, four practical scenarios I'll explain. Okay, again and again, child to parent also. Okay, different types of practical scenarios. Okay, child to parent communication by creating a custom event. We'll try to elaborate by creating a custom event. Okay, by creating a custom event, and also we'll demonstrate. Okay, demonstrate on this. We'll demonstrate different types of scenarios, real-time scenarios. Okay, on custom objects, on different custom objects. Okay, I'll help you how to create a custom. I mean that I'll give you the information. Okay, so which custom objects you need to create. Okay, so then we'll apply our LWC component on that particular custom objects. Okay, so when I'm creating a component communication, I'll create a separate concept, which is nothing but component communication. See, everyone able to see? So it's like a volume player, music player. When I'm clicking on increase, see. When I'm clicking on decrease, see, everyone able to see? And here, when I'm
Yes,
clicking,
sir.
yes, these are the different types. For example, if you have Rana, okay, phone, okay, USA, okay, just when I'm clicking on submit, immediately the data is saving. How we need to save? Like this, everything I'll give you. Okay, so when I'm clicking something, when I'm clicking on receipt slider, immediately it will become to 50. How we need to deal every information. Okay, everything. I'll give you clear-cut idea. See, some alert component has been displayed when I'm clicking on this fire button. How the one component is communicating with another component here. See, when I'm clicking on hi, immediately it will be received another component. See, everyone able to see all my scenarios?
Yes, sir.
Yes, these are the different types of scenarios which we'll try to illustrate. Okay, these are some of the practical scenarios. Okay, I'll try to illustrate when I'm dealing with a component communication. Okay, so after dealing with the component communication, let me try to discuss about a PubSub and LMS. Okay, PubSub is nothing but, okay, after completion of this, I'll give some interview questions on component communication. Okay, after completion of this, we'll go to PubSub and LMS. Okay, it is also a component communication. Okay, between independent components. Okay, between independent component means there is no relationship in between one component and another component. Nowadays, okay, so PubSub is not been using, but I'll give you a high level overview about LMS, PubSub, and also I'll give the practical scenario also. Okay, so how to communicate? How to communicate? VF page to LWC. Okay, LWC to LWC. And LWC to RR. Everything I'll give you practical scenarios. And LWC to LWC is only important. Other things are not important. But even if it is important or not important, everything I'll tell you. Okay, everything. Okay, so what are the important? Okay, I'll tell you. This is very important. Try to concentrate more on that. Okay, I'll give you every scenario, everything. Okay, as a trainer, I need to tell you everything. So when I'm discussing a PubSub and LMS, I'll create a separate module for this PubSub and LMS. It's nothing but a lightning message service. See, everyone able to see the screens. So when I'm clicking on hi, I'm LWC. Immediately it will be received to Okay, see, it will be received to all our LWC components, whatever it may be. Okay, how to deal, how to communicate in between one component and another component. Okay, I'll discuss in coming classes. Okay, with the different types of scenarios. Okay, different real-time scenarios I'll discuss here. Okay, different real-time scenarios I'll discuss. Everything. Okay, no need to worry. Everything I'll give you practical scenarios. Okay, it will be definitely helpful. Okay, this course will give you a better idea. Okay, in your future, whatever the things which you are going to deal, the projects. Okay, different real-time scenarios I'll discuss because I've been passionate in the teaching. That's why I use it to discuss everything, whatever in the coming, my past project experience, every scenario I collected. Okay, I included. Okay, so we need to discuss about resource component context and notifications. Okay, sometimes we need to upload images. You'll agree with my point. You need to upload your images to your website like this. You need to upload images, whatever it may. How to upload these images? How to write the content like this? Okay, there are 10 topics are there. Okay, there are 10 topics are there. Okay, for each and every topic.
Do you
Okay,
give homeworks? Do you give homeworks?
I did not got. Can you please repeat it?
Will you give us like assignments to work on?
Yes, yes. After completion of each and every classes, I'll give the assignments also. Yes, of course. Okay, I'll give the assignments also. Okay, so when I'm dealing with the Salesforce resource, I'll create one separate application for this. Okay, component context and notification. See, for example, you are dealing with insurance project. Okay, so when after completion of the registration, they need to download the document. See, for me, the downloaded document. How I downloaded? Okay, when I'm clicking on success, see, when I'm clicking on error, when I'm clicking on warning. So I uploaded some image. How to deal with this? I imported some information from the external website. Okay, I connected third-party JavaScript with my LWC. How to do all this? In coming classes, I'll give you a better explanation. Okay, everything. Okay, there are 10 topics. 10 topics are there. Everything I'll cover in this. Yeah. After completion of this, okay, I will ask you one thing. Okay, so whenever you are dealing with any banking project, for example, if you went to any of the website, anything, you need to fill up the forms or not. Like your name, for example, you are filling water registration. You need to fill up your name or not, account name, your phone number, your email, and also your details, your gender, and you need to click on submit button. After that, you need to do all these details or not. Immediately, this information will be saved to the database. Okay, it will be stored to the database. Yeah, Salesforce database. How to deal with this? How to create all this information? Okay, how to deal with this and how to create all this information? Okay, how to deal with this? How to create under the base lightning components? I'll give you. Okay, under the base lightning components, we'll give the lightning record view form. Okay, lightning record edit form. And also lightning record form. Okay, by using these tags, we'll try to create different types of scenarios. Okay, different complex scenarios. I'll try to explain. And also I'll give the assignments also. Every day I'll give the assignments also. Okay. So, okay, whenever I'm dealing, I'll create a lightning data service like this. See, everyone able to see these particular forms. Everyone able to see this type of forms. Everyone able to see? Okay,
yes,
and
sir.
also yes, and also
Yes.
I created a different types of okay, so like Tetli. Anyone know about Tetli? Tetli. Okay, this
Green
is a
tea.
different types green tea. Okay, this how to create this type of forms. Okay, this is my real-time project. Okay, I'll give you. Okay, so when I given the scenarios, even I'll help you. You can easily do it. You can easily do this particular forms, whatever it may be. Definitely you'll do it. It's very easy. You'll do it. I'll make you to do the things easily. Okay. These are the
Sir,
real-time scenarios. Yes.
sir, Tetli site is also based on Salesforce.
No. Like this is one of the client to us. Like they need whenever the particular person is fill the data. Okay, immediately they need to. Recently, they want to equip this Tetli to Salesforce. Okay, that's why they contacted us. Whatever it may be. Yes, now Tetli is Salesforce. I think so. They deployed. Okay, we given some user interface, whatever it may be to them. and they need some further modification, something. Like I think it is in the process. Okay, it is in the process. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Because so many other applications are also they're converting to Salesforce because it's very easy user interface. Everything it maybe looks good. Okay, that's everyone is converting to Salesforce.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, and also we'll deal with different complex scenarios and also how to create Apex programs in LWC. Okay, with the different types of scenarios. Okay, with the different scenarios. From basic to advanced level, I'll give you a better clarity explanation. No need of worries. I'm there. I'll help you definitely. Okay, when I'm dealing with Apex, I'll create a separate and also I'll give the notes also. Every day after completion of each and every program, I'll give the notes also. Okay, for your better clarity. Okay, so when I'm clicking phone inquiry, see all the phone inquiry details are coming. Okay, like this. For example, when I'm clicking partner referral, okay, all the partner referral information are we are getting. How to retrieve the information from the external. Okay, like a contact object, account object, either insurance object, e-commerce, every object, everything I'll give you a clear explanation. Okay, you can easily do it after my classes. Okay, after my classes, you can easily apply for freelancing and also you can easily crack the interview. Okay, without struggling yourself. Okay, you can easily do the things. Okay, and also how to navigate. Okay, how to navigate from our Salesforce to external website, whatever it may be. In the navigation service, I'll give you, there are 10 navigation, I think so. 10 navigation services are there. Okay, 10 practical scenarios, I'll give you a clear idea. Okay, when I'm dealing with the navigation service, I'll create a separate, separate component, which is nothing but, see, when I'm clicking external website, immediately I'm navigating to w3schools.com. Everyone able to see how to navigate this. Okay, when I'm clicking, okay, immediately I'm navigating to another LWC component. See, everyone able to see? See, when I'm clicking on next, immediately I'm navigating to another form. See, everyone able to see like this, how to navigate all this information in coming classes. These are nothing but a real-time scenarios, like which I deal with one banking project. They want to create different types of forms. Then we use the navigation services. These are the different scenarios. Okay, we'll try to explain. After completion of this, I'll discuss about LDS wire adapters. Okay, under LDS wire adapter, there are different scenarios. It's very important. Okay, there are different scenarios, real-time scenarios. Okay, everything I'll cover in LDS wire adapters. Okay, how to integrate. And also I'll give the interview questions. For each and every topic. No worries from your side. Everything I'll give you. Okay, because I had attended mostly 400 plus interviews. Okay, so it is been crossing 450 within 2 or 3, because I want to get the regular status. What is happening in the market? That's why I use it to attend. I use it to post that particular questions. Attended the Deloitte, MNC companies, startup companies, product-based company, so many companies. Mostly you'll repeat, you'll get the same questions. Okay, how to integrate. Okay, Salesforce with external website. Okay, this is one of the project. Okay, it's nothing but a book listing API with REST callers. Okay, how to integrate our Google API by using REST callers. I'll give you. After completion of this, I'll give you the introduction to Experience Cloud. So we created a multiple components. Okay, it's a travel website. We created a multiple components, no? Okay, so we created multiple components, no? I use it to deploy and also I use it to create, okay, one project, okay? One project, everything on one project, which is nothing but a practical. Okay, yes. This is the thing which we are going to cover. What we are going to learn. Complete LWC will learn. From basics to advanced level. And also, okay, you'll get interview questions. Okay, and also you'll get a real-time project, and also we'll get Experience Cloud also. Okay, real-time project, whatever it may be. Okay, and also you'll get recordings, everyday recordings, and also we'll provide you everyday notes. What are the things which I'm teaching, each and everything, I'll provide you the notes. Okay, it is easy for your reference. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, and also I'll show you the notes, whatever we are going to cover. 1 minute.
Sir, one doubt.
Yes, of course, please.
So, sir, will you be teaching us how to use this Google DevTools to debug our LWC components? Because whenever
Yes.
we enter the project, it is not that we will enter from the starting of the project. We
Okay.
enter in the middle of the project, and there
I'll
this
help you.
DevTools are required.
I'll help you. Okay. It
Yeah.
is also in the modules, it will be covered. Like this, I use it to provide you the notes. Okay. Like this, I'll use it to provide you the notes. Okay, whatever it may be, I use it to provide you the notes. Whatever it may be. Everyone able to see the notes? Everything is in a clarified manner. Each and every program I use it to teach. Each and everything I use it to deploy. Okay, for your quick reference. Okay, I'm showing all the things like this. Every practical things, everything I'll cover. Okay, yeah. This is the things which we are going to cover in the coming classes. Anyone have any doubts? Rana, you clarified your doubts?
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Thank you, Rana. Yeah, and anyone have any doubts? So
Uh,
what we are, yes.
Yeah, sir. So regarding our project, we will not deploy our project on a Salesforce app. It will be a website, right?
Yes, I'll
Like
show
on
you.
X. Yeah.
I'll show you.
Okay, sir.
We created. So in front of you also I'll create it. Okay. We'll activate it. Okay. We'll activate it. Okay. So
Okay.
whenever I activated, one URL will be created by using that URL. You can see, you can also see the website. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to confirm, sir.
Yes. See workspace, because if take other things, it's not possible. But coming to LWC, everything is possible. The same thing. Whatever we are in the real time, the same thing we can do under the free developer edition. Okay. Even the licenses also they use it to give you freely.
Okay, sir.
See, I'll open the website. Okay. Mostly you need to concentrate on the LWC, whatever it may be. If you learn the LWC, you can easily learn this experience cloud. Okay.
Okay.
You can
Sir,
easily learn.
are you sharing a screen or like?
Yeah. This is the project. Okay, I'm clicking on preview. See. Okay.
Sir, you are not sharing the screen.
Oh, I'm not sharing. 1 minute. Sorry,
Yeah.
I'm sharing my screen again. Okay. 1 minute. See, everyone able to see?
Yeah.
It's a travel website. Okay. See. Okay, when I'm clicking on booking articles, you'll get everything. Okay, for example, okay, like for example, if the particular person has been clicked on contact support, okay, immediately they will click the contact support. Okay, one contact support form will be opened. Okay, whenever if they fill the form, immediately the case will be registered under the Salesforce org. Okay, everything I'll give you. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, you will also teach how to debug this website, right? Means because my concern is whenever we enter a project, we don't enter from the start, and there this debugging skills are also required.
Okay, definitely I'll teach you. Okay, no issues. Debugging in terms so
Inspect, yeah.
yes, you need to click on inspect. When I'm clicking on 1 minute, when I am teaching LWC, I'll show you how to debug everything. Okay,
Okay.
so when I'm teaching LWC, only I'll show you like this. I think you'll get all the information like this. Okay, how to
Correct.
debug. Yeah, these things, everything will be covered. Okay, when I'm teaching LWC, only I'll cover. Okay, no
Okay,
issues.
sir.
Okay. So
Okay,
whenever I'm teaching experience cloud, it's completely okay. The user interface and some LWC components will deploy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Got
When
it.
I'm teaching LWC, and I'll use this debug also. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Debug in terms inspector. Mostly without inspector, it is not possible to teach LWC. Okay.
Correct, sir.
Definitely will use in every mostly components. What are the components we'll use? Everything will use debug inspector. Okay. For your quick reference, even from start JavaScript onwards, we'll start with inspector. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Thank
this
you.
is the website which we are going to cover. Okay, when I'm clicking on publish, it is easy to publish your sites. See, I'm publishing my site. Means the informations have been published. If you want to preview, you can preview. And this is the login forms and also registration forms. Yeah. Okay, so I published and I activated my site. Okay. So for example, if I open this in another incognito mode, whatever it may be. See, immediately it will be open. Okay.
Correct.
See,
Correct.
everyone able to see?
Yeah.
Yeah. The same thing I think you are expecting. Yeah.
Yeah, so on this website we have deployed all our components.
Yeah, not all our components, some components. Okay.
Some components, yeah, that's
Yeah,
what.
because everything is not been useful for our website. Only some things we are useful. No. Okay.
Correct.
What are the things which we are useful? I'll deploy it. Okay. And what are the things which are not been useful? Also, will cover in when I'm teaching LWC. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Yes, yes. Because everything end to end from our after completion of classes, you can design any type of the project, any of the thing easily. Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Any other questions from anyone?
Sir, what is the duration of this course?
It's mostly 30 days. Yeah, 30 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
And daily, how many hours it will be there?
It should be 1 hour. Okay. Sometimes it should be more than 10 minutes extended. Okay.
Okay, means 7 to 8, like the timings.
7 to 8, same timings. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, can we make sure it's 1 hour only?
Yes, 1 hour only. Yes, it's definitely 1 hour only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah.
And sir, like teaching method will be, you will be teaching on the screen and
Everything I'll show the user interface. Okay. So first of all, so everything. Okay. So for example, okay, you are whenever you are getting the client requirement, they'll give them user interface. In the similar way, I'll show the user interface first of all. Okay, how to track that user interface, how to design by using LWC. Like that, I'll show the step by step. Before going to teaching, I'll show the user interface because client also will give the first user interface. Then they will ask you to design based on that. In the similar way, I will also show the user interface and I'll give you step by step how to design each and every line. Okay, for each and every LWC component. Okay, Ankit?
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, yes. Any other doubts to Shravan and Hemant Kumar?
No, sir.
Sir, after this course, can we do the certification for our JavaScript?
Definitely can do it. Definitely can do it because it will be covered advanced level. Okay, it will be covered advanced level. Okay, definitely you can do it, Rama.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Any other doubts to Hemant? Okay, the same timings. Kindly please join the call at the same time. Okay, like if anyone are interested, kindly please contact the DURGASOFT team, register. Okay, the same link. Okay, same link tomorrow also. Okay, same link for tomorrow also. Okay, kindly please join at the call 7 to 8 p.m. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Team. Thank
Yeah,
you.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye, team. Bye.